Hand it over to Troy with the weather report.
What started out several days and weeks ago as a potentially devastating and historic storm has thankfully dissipated into a still dangerous but much less destructive nuisance for parts of Texas and other states. The once Category 5 monster storm, one of the strongest to ever make landfall, has broken up and lost the majority of its strength as it made landfall near Monterrey, Mexico on the Pacific coast. Thousands upon thousands of residents were evacuated as what was a huge hurricane with maximum sustained winds that at times approached record levels of above 190 miles per hour spurred flooding for a large part of the state of Texas. Hurricane Patricia almost approached the strongest winds ever recorded for a storm that made landfall. In 2013, a typhoon struck the Philippines with recorded winds of 195 miles per hour. That storm was blamed for killing thousands of residents of the Philippines. As Hurricane Patricia spreads across the southwest and eventually makes its way east and then into our area in the northeast, people can expect to experience drenching rains and even further flooding. Parts of Texas had over a foot of flooding rains, and a suburb of Houston, Texas got over 9 inches of rain. The storm will progress into Alabama and Louisiana as those areas can expect possible torrential downpours and perhaps even strong winds and a possibility of an outbreak of tornadic activity. Back to you guys at the studio.